part 1 of IELTS Writing Exam Guide series. In this series, we will cover format and tips and tricks for general writing exam and the academic writing exam. In today's video, let's understand the format and concept of the exam. There are two types of IELTS writing exams, the academic one and the general one. Academic test is designed for students to get admission in universities, whereas the general test is designed for professionals and citizens to get job and citizenship. Task 2 is same for both, but the task 1 is different. The IELTS academic task 1 shows a graph or an image or an illustration, and the exam taker has to elaborate the data presented in it. Statistical and scientific phrases are the key to score higher bands. More details and tips will be covered in a later video. The general exam task 1 is about writing letters such as informal letters, job application letters, business letters, or complaint letters. Professional writing is the key to score higher bands. More details and tips will be covered in a later video. The IELTS exam task 2 is an argumentative writing, which is the same for academic and general exam. It requires to write agree or disagree type essays, advantages or disadvantages, causes and solution to a problem, and discussion on any point. Strong argumentative writing is the key to score higher bands. In the next 3 videos, we will cover each task with details, samples, and the tricks to score higher bands. Subscribe and stay tuned.